How's it going everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can hard reset a candy washing machine. Now, there's multiple ways to do this. Let's get started. The first one is going to be power cycling. You want to unplug the machine from the wall socket for at least 5 to 10 minutes to allow the internal capacitors to drain and clear some errors. From there, we can also try the button reset. While the machine is on, you want to press and hold the start or pause button for approximately 5 to 10 seconds or until the display flashes or indicates a reset. It's going to be extremely simple. The pause or start button is going to be on the front of your machine, so just click on it. Third, we then want to drain the pump loop reset. If the pump runs continuously, you want to turn the unit off, unplug it for around 2 minutes, plug it back in, and hold the start button for 20 seconds. And for the last method, you want to do the control panel reset. You want to turn the knob to the off position, then turn it to the rinse settings and press start to initiate a calibration cycle. Now the knob is going to be where you're navigating through all of your presets. For example, you have rinse, you have wash, you have full wash, and more. Just navigate through rinse, press start, and it will then calibrate your candy washing machine. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.